say, every time the devil knocks me down, I can bounce back. And the reason why I bounce back is because the Bible says, what shall we say to these things? If God, if God be for me, who can be against me? Somebody say, preacher, I changed my oil like I'm supposed to, but it still seems like, you're looking at me funny, it still seems like somehow issues still attach themselves. The reason being is you've been using the same oil too long. In other words, you can't run off the same oil from 20 years ago. It's time to upgrade your oil to a different brand. You was using 5W30. Now it's time to use 10W30. High mileage, because you've been flowing on the same oil just too long. I came to find out that some of us, we need a total body change. We need the Lord to change our mind so that I will bring no evil. I need the Lord to change my eyes so that I can look to the hills for which cometh my help. And somebody, oh, my help comes from the Lord. I need the Lord to change my mouth so that I can speak those things that are not as if they were. Change my hands so that I can get right, so that I can receive, press down, shake it together, run it over, change my heart so that I can love.